My name is Shannon Raczynski, and I am a Peace and Justice Studies major. The Peace and Justice Studies major is about social injustices that occur all throughout the world and the people that they impact. I think that L.O.V.E trips are one of the best ways not only to travel, but also just to get a better understanding of the world. They're immersion trips, so we don't really help. We get to go and be with people rather than do for. The first L.O.V.E trip I went on was my freshman year, and we went to Guatemala. We went and we learned, and from having these direct conversations and making relationships with community members, it makes your passion for social justice so much stronger. So for me personally, my focus for peace studies is immigration. So by going to Guatemala and hearing people who had gone to the United States illegally, who were deported, who have family in the US and why they want to go to the United States was really impactful for me because I had a better understanding of what I wanted to focus on with my studies and what I wanted to do in the future. As of right now, I really would like to go into an accelerated PhD program. I really would like to be a professor, but I also really want to go to law school. I'm definitely going into schooling again after I graduate. The Peace and Justice Studies department has allowed me to make great relationships within the school. Not only with people who are professors, but also people who work in campus ministry and social action. One of my biggest involvements on campus is with the sorority, Sigma Delta Tau. I was the previous vice president of philanthropy, so I ran a lot of the charity work that we do, and I set up a lot of the fundraisers and allowed sisters to have the opportunity to do community service. This is all helping me prepare for my future and my career because it allows me to have a huge platform to decide what I want to do, while also having connections and having people who can help me decide where I want to go. My future advice to anybody who wants to become a Peace and Justice Studies major is to throw yourself into clubs and to see what you want to do, because once you know, Manhattan College has the connections and the opportunities that will help you pursue that.